Well, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your JBL Bluetooth speaker to your Android phone. So this is very easy to do. We just want to swipe down from the top right and then go to settings, and we can locate the Bluetooth options under here. So we can go to connected devices, Bluetooth, and just tap this and go to pair new device. Now go to your JBL device and go to the power button and just turn this on. Then after you have it turned on, you can see this light. We want to press the Bluetooth button, and that'll put into the Bluetooth pairing mode. So I don't think I pressed it down enough. Let's press it down for a few seconds and then let go. And if it's not blinking, what we can do is just power it off and then turn it back on again. So I held it down for about 10 seconds. And that's what caused it to go into the Bluetooth pairing mode. So it should show up under this list. We can go to connect now. And it should be connected to my phone relatively soon. So if you have this connected to another device, it should still connect. Oh, and it looks like we have the JBL app if we want. And I don't think I'm going to go ahead and get that. So I can decide if I want to download it. Oop, I accidentally pressed it. I can get that through the Google Play Store, but you don't have to do that. And you can see under my saved devices right here, I can go to see all. My JBL Go 4 should be on there now. I can start playing audio through here. I can press the volume up, volume down, start or stop the songs, and then we should be good to go. Very easy to connect this. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.